Welcome to the herb garden at Harlow Old Fort House. The colonists would have grown kitchen gardens outside their home in raised rectangular beds, narrow enough to tend from either side. The beds would have included plants important for culinary and medical uses. All parts of the plant were useful, fresh or dried, blossoms, leaves, stems, and roots. Most often, poultices were prepared for external use, and teas were brewed for internal applications. Here we have yarrow, whose bright white flower umbels have gone by. Its leaves and flowers could have been used to make a poultice to relieve pain, stop bleeding, and prevent infection. A tea made from the leaves could have been used to treat gastrointestinal disorders. Colonists could have chewed on dried yarrow root or fresh leaves to relieve a toothache. These beds also include 3 different varieties of veronica, also called speedwell. These are cultivars, not the veronica species that might have been grown in colonial herb gardens. Leaves of the veronica species plant could have been brewed for tea to alleviate congestion caused by asthma or allergies. Saponaria would have been valued primarily for its use in making soap and detergent. Hence, it is commonly called soapwort. When the roots and leaves are rubbed with water, they make bubbles. A poultice could also have been made to relieve itchy skin, and a tea brewed as a remedy for coughs, bronchitis, and inflammation of the respiratory tract. Here, the tiny white flowers of winter savory are coming into bloom. Winter savory is primarily a culinary herb. Its dry or fresh leaves could have been used to flavor meats, vegetables, and stuffings. Fresh sprigs could also have been made into a poultice to soothe wasp or bee stings. These are the blue flowers of hyssop. The leaves could have been used both as a poultice to heal wounds and as a strewing herb to mask household odors. A tea brewed from the flower tops could have been drunk as an expectorant, cough reliever, or antiseptic. Hyssop is a member of the mint family, as evidenced by its square stem and opposite leaves. Another member of the mint family is Monarda. A tea brewed from the leaves and blossoms could have been used to freshen breath and fight infections in the mouth and gums. Monarda is often called bee balm because a poultice could have been made to salve bee stings as well as burns, scrapes, and rashes. Herb gardens such as this would have been important to the health and well-being of the colonists.